All right, guys, welcome back to the Brooklyn Shoe Space. Let's get started. These rings leave marks on the leather, so let's get them out the way. For cutting leather, you're going to need the deep point blade. This is sold separately. Let's turn it on and get the CRICUT connected to our device. Once connected, the power button will turn blue. Open the CRICUT app and in a new grid, open up the shape library on the bottom left banner. Then tap the Layers tab on the bottom right banner. Look through your library and select the square. This will be your cut reference. You want to edit the shape dimensions by inserting 0.5 or half an inch into the width. As you can see, the dimensions will automatically adjust. Next, we want to change the coordinates of the H and V position to 0.25 or a quarter inch. I'm just inserting a circle to show you the relationship between the cut reference and your desired shape. You want to base your H and V position of the shape around the square you just inserted. What this does is it accounts for the cutoff margins you will see in the cut preview. Once you're ready to move on, tap on both shapes and in the Layers tab with both shapes selected, select the paperclip icon, which is the attach button. Select the appropriate mat for your CRICUT machine and then hit confirm. We are now in the cut preview, and as you can see, there are red lines which demonstrate the cutoff margins on your CRICUT mat. This cut reference is essential because it allows you to cut at the exact location that you wish. I hope this helps everyone. Can't wait to see what you guys cut.